Morning. We had a good night's sleep last night by the river. The snow still on the mountains, look. Yeah, but yesterday was a big long day. We didn't quite get to Elm like we wanted to. So we're about 2 hours short of Elm. So we're just packing up now. Need to get the rest of the stuff away. Left no trace as always. Yeah, we're going to walk into Elm, try and get some breakfast, and then we're going to plan the next day. Today's supposed to be another difficult day, about 1400 metres. So let's see how it goes, eh? Come on. It's the first ski lift we've seen. Going all the way up there, look. I've done one of them ski lifts yesterday to go up that faux past. Whew. Yeah, we're nearly in Elm now. We're still sitting at about 1,000 metres. So the plan is get into here and then try and get something to eat, stock up some supplies for later on. Apparently there's another big day today. We've been walking about an hour and a half from the camp spot. It said on the sign 2 hours, so we're probably a little bit quicker than what the average is. So saying that, we've still got to get there. So another 10-15 minutes walking until we get actually into Elm. Apparently there's a bakery in.
Yes, food.
Yeah, we're bloody starving. Because we wanted to get here yesterday, see, so we didn't really plan our food very well. We had snacks and things to eat last night, which was okay. So the plan is try and get a nice breakfast, and then another big day. You looking forward to it, Ian?
Yes.
That's a no. Well, we're in the little town of Elms, or village, I'm not sure what it is. It's beautiful. These buildings are amazing, aren't they? We're just at the bakery. Just had some croissants and things and lots of sugary stuff to get our energy up. He just popped down to the supermarket to get some supplies. I'm going to go there in a minute, but we've just got our phones on charge. Quick boost, and we're heading that way, somewhere through there. I don't know. I can't pronounce the names, but I'll get the book out in a bit and tell you. But yesterday was a real tough day. Today says it's quite another demanding day, so hey ho. But yeah, so I'll catch up in a bit. Up there. Oh, we're nearly at the top of this pass now. I can't remember the name, but begins with an R. I'll put it on the screen. Breathing heavy. It's tough walking, but with scenes like that, it's worth it, ain't it? And I think we're at the summit of this Rickenstein Pass. I'll put it on screen again. And just there, look. Looks like it flattens out. I never got. He said that's a bum twitching section. I've got to cross that. Yeah, it looks like we're going to cross this flatty bit and then make our way down into Lindelt. I don't know. I'll put it on the screen. Well, look at this, guys. Jesus. I'm not sure of the meterage, but something in between 1800 and 1900 metres, maybe a bit higher. Whew. Right, let's get down over there, and I think we're going to have a break. And now what we've got to do is follow this path all the way down there. See some people at the bottom, and then work our way up between the two peaks there. Work our way down, all the way down to the little village. Are we mad, or are we mad? I think I'm mad. If I'm not mad now, I think I'll be mad at the end of this 2 weeks. Just making our way up between the two peaks where you see where the snow is. You can see the little sign at the top, and we turn a right and go up there, and then we head down. I'm looking forward to the down. The scenery, guys, is beautiful. So that way we was when we got to the top of that Ricky, whatever, I can't remember the pronunciation. And the pass between those two peaks there, you might just see this faint path. We walked down to the hut there, where we stopped and had a quick break and topped up with water. And we've made our way up here. You see the snow still here. And that's where we was, Elm. And now we're heading for Linful, 3 hours 15, which is this way, down there, all the way down there. Well, we've made our way down from up there. The scenery is amazing. My legs feel like they're going to fall off. Ooh, we nearly got day 2 finished. We've just got to get down to Linfold. Day 2 done. Yeah, we finally arrived at the little village. Just chilling out with a beer, charging our gear up. Managed to find a little camp spot down the road, so we're going to spend as much time here as we can, and then just have a walk down there, pitch up in about a couple of hours time. Just in the little village or town of Linful. Just been had something to eat, and we found a little wild camping spot just a little bit out of the town. We've gone around in a little cafe for a couple of hours, and now we're heading down there by the trees to get our heads down. We have a hard day grafting. We have a hard day on the trail in.
Oh yeah, hard day. Love it.
We're all hard days in the Swiss Alps. Morning all. We're just at the train station. We're heading off to a place called Altdorf next. Because basically the Alpine Pass Route is about 20-25 days worth of hiking, and we've only got 14. So what we're doing is we're sort of like walking a few days, skipping a few of the sections where we've been recommended that is not as good as the other ones, and then obviously carrying on. And obviously we're just going to assess it as we go along to see which passes we can do and which ones we can't do. So we're going to go about a 2-hour train ride to get to Altdorf, and then we'll catch you there. So yesterday we started off around about here in Elm, and we worked our way up along here, up along this Via Alpina Pass, and then from here we sort of went down and then back up, and then there was a long descent all the way down to Linfield. So we're just here at Brusty. We're sitting at 1525 metres, and we're heading for Engelberg, which it says is 7 hours walking. Can't see us getting there now. It's just after 1 o'clock. Well, we'll see, eh? We'll be late when we get there else. Wow. Yeah, we've got about another 600 metres to climb, up and down a couple of little peaks or passes, and then we should start making a descent. But it says in the guide it's a wonderful day's walking, albeit hard. Aren't they all? He's just down there, and we're winding our way up through there, look. Up through the middle of those two peaks there. It's hot. So hot. I think that's what's killing us. It's really hot. I'm just having to carry more water. This means the bags are quite heavy. The last 2 days we've not needed to carry much water because we've passed lots of streams and waterfalls, and we've been able to just top up every hour or so. But today, not past one waterfall. We've just passed a little emergency hut back there where there was water there, so we've just topped up again. But we've probably got another 6 hours walking if we want to get back to Engelberg. But we might even consider just camping out tonight. We'll see. I'll let you know. Just for now, have a look at this. Ooh, I'm just at 2060 metres. Heading for the Southern Pass, which is up there. So what we've got to do, we've got to walk back down into this sort of bowl and make our way up in between the valley there. It says on the sign back there 1 hour to get to the top of Southern Pass, and then 4 hours Miranda back down into Engelberg. But, we're gonna walk so far and then stop and camp tonight, and then walk down in the morning. It's fantastic though. So we've got to get towards the sun. Yeah, it's brutal.
We're going to March. to Altdorf.
Yeah.
How long is it, do you think?
Well, it says there, up there, won't it? It's on there.
Yeah, we finally got to the top of Thru-hiking Pass.
Yeah, you are, yeah. See how we go. I'm taking the cable car.
Yeah.
Hiking off, hiking off.
So are you camping out somewhere?
Yeah, I might do somewhere there.
Yeah, looks
We just met some other hikers. A couple there just stopping in the emergency hut here.
Yeah.
And a young lady there. She's just come up behind us from Australia. And she's camping out somewhere down there as well. So apparently in another 1 hour's walk there's like another hut. We're going to try and get there and camp by that way. Oh, this is where we are tonight. We're sitting at about 1600 metres. We're just down from the Alpina Pass. Obviously the pronunciation is wrong, but I'll put it on screen for you. My battery went out on my GoPro just as we got to the top of the pass, so I didn't really film anything coming down to here. But then just up there, about, I don't know, half an hour down from the summit of the pass, there was a little farm, and they did like a hut for campers, or sorry, for hikers, where they could sleep over. So we dove in there and had a beer. She made us a cheese and ham platter thing on like a wooden board, and we had a beer and we shared that. Lovely. And then we've just walked down another half an hour down towards Engelberg, and we found this little pitch. So we're camping here. We've met so many European hikers the last couple of days, and when we've asked them if they where you sleeping tonight, they say we sleep with nature tonight. So tonight I'm sleeping with nature. Just looking at this. It's been amazing. It's been so hard climbing, but the views are to die for.
You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors.